Alright, so I've got the Panasonic right here. Just plugged it in, NN-SN686S, okay? And I've got my kilowatt here. Okay, I'm gonna measure how many watts it actually takes. Alright, it's actually much more than the manual says. But let's try 30 seconds. And take a look at my kilowatt. It's going crazy here, look. It's exceeding the power, okay? It says right here, 1937. Actually, right here, let's do this one. 1926 watts, okay? That's a lot of power, okay? Much more than my old one and much more than the specs. Okay, so this thing is using a lot of power. All right, here's the manual, okay? You see, the one that came with it, NN-SN686S. Okay, and if you go to one of the pages in the back here, okay, it says right here, power consumption, 1480 watts, okay? Cooking power, 1200 watts. Okay, power source, 120 volts, okay? So I don't know why mine is pulling almost 2000 watts. Okay, but it says right here, 1480 watts. That's not correct. Okay, this is not correct.
Had this for about 3 years now, and we didn't have a built-in microwave, so we needed something to slot in this space. It's really nice. It matches our aesthetic really well. Easy to clean. That was my biggest thing that I needed, and you know, like spacious. It's definitely done its job really well. Here are the functions. Easy to use. Haven't had any issues with it so far.
So this is the rust that has developed after less than a year. It's all on the inside door. So the inside of the microwave is fine, but it's this inside door. We thought it was maybe like food that had built up, but that is rust. So after a year, this microwave is trash.
There is the 888. I can't even run this thing for 30 seconds. 30. Start. That'll hit about maybe 15 or 14 or something. Oh, didn't even get to 15 or 14.